one overhead press every day. VR, right hand bottoms up press, 32 kilos, 16. PR tie. And a long time under tension, adjusting the hood down, shield my eyes from the rain. Not bad. Day 5, sledgehammer every day. That's a form fault. Having my arm drop from around parallel down, that's a form fault. Of course, I'm also trying to use a giant hammerhead. The only part that matters though is that I'm having fun trying to get to this. One hand, two hands, three. Place to remember, 3 hands down from that rubber wrap thing. Use that as my measured metric for progression on this. 1, 2, 3. One, two, four, five. I'm gonna have to work on total body tension with that. I'm not squeezing abs, glutes, thighs like I should be. Partially because it's raining, I'm wearing shoes. Just didn't really feel like getting my feet wet. But when you have dry ground and barefoot on dry ground, you can like lock into the ground better. Push your toes, like pull your toes down against the grass, the dirt, and just be more locked in, more dialed in. You gotta think in the context of like karate, being rooted into the ground, like Sanchin kata. When you're doing all this very high tension, challenging stuff, like a heavy sledgehammer lever, like heavy bottoms up presses, you very much want to be rooted, not have some cheapo styrofoam on the bottom of a $10 shoe being what your connection point is between ground and body. But it's all excuses. It doesn't really matter. Just train with what you've got. There's nothing wrong with the dude getting off of work, wearing his blue jeans and work boots, doing upper body like that. If anything, it's better because you're just working. The gym or home gym doesn't need to be a fashion show. Just get it. Enjoy your training, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.